All right, you're looking at Tesla daily time frame chart here. As you can see, going all the way back to 2020, right? So we saw 2020, 60% decline. I know this chart is skewed because how much this stock has gone up here, but definitely this right here, what you see right here, this was a COVID decline, and I'll assure you, though it looked like not much now, but that was 62% decline during 2020. Both times when we did see those steep declines when the Tesla got to that historical extreme overbought level per my indicator. As you can see here, we have not gotten to this level, right? It's not that we get there every single time, every single day, every single week, every single month. This is a daily chart, so that oscillator is going to oscillate back and forth, but it's not always going to go up and hit the extreme overbought level. And when it did do that during 2022 or during 2020, again, 62% decline. And then after 2022, though, we did see some zigzagging move here. And I'm going to talk more about that zigzag, why that's important. Subsequently, we did see 74%. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we currently did witness this extreme overbought sentiment once again. We haven't got to this level since 2022. Only question is, are we going to see at this vicinity, are we going to see another sort of like 60% decline from here, or maybe more, as Tesla might be still in a downtrend?
Oh, I don't like the news anymore. Oh, I don't like the news anymore.
All of this can be nullified and negated if, keep in mind though, every time when we see a steep decline, when market gets back to new all-time highs, specifically we're talking about Tesla here, it tends to stay in that uptrend, right? Higher lows and higher highs. What happens is, as the stock continues to move higher, we will see these sort of declines. But as long as Tesla can avoid extreme overbought sentiment, that uptrend could continue. Only difficulty and the problem was during 2022 is that the market never able to, and it failed to make higher lows and higher highs, cultivating new highs. It fails to do that. What happened was it cultivated lower highs and lower lows, and that's what we call a downtrend. So when we're in a bear market like it's been in 2022 and 2023, we want to give benefit of the doubt to the buyers, especially the fact that when you see at the peak after the stock, Tesla stock went berserk to the upside, everybody's YOLOing here in this vicinity. Perfect. Not understanding we just hit that extreme overbought level. Here we hit that overbought once again, and if we start to see this market or the stock completely crashing down, probably best to get out of its way before we get trampled upon its selling pressure, right? However, one thing I've noticed is that we do have what it looks like for the first time since this entire decline, right? For the first time ever, we do have higher lows and higher highs, as it seems. So what can we make of all this signal? We do see that extreme overbought on the indicator, but we're not seeing lower highs and lower lows. Instead, we are in the trajectory of higher lows and higher highs. This is what I'm going to say. As long as we continue with higher lows and higher highs like this, however it's going to do it, we want to continue to give benefit of the doubt to the buyers. We want to assume that the uptrend could continue regardless of what this signal is telling us. All that signal is telling us is we are extremely overbought, probably due for a pullback or some sort of correction. That's probably what we're gonna see continuously in the coming days and weeks and possibly even months. But what we have to observe going forward, possibly in the next several weeks, couple months or so, can this market continue with this higher lows and higher highs and keep that uptrend going? Because I think if this market can continue in that, I think we can make that this move look a lot like this rather than this.